Okay, I'm here now with Brad Heraghty. He is the National Account Manager for Norton Abrasives. Brad, let's start here. What's something that sets Norton apart from other abrasives people?
Bar none, it's our sales force. We have 160 trained sales reps out there that we believe that are the experts in industry's best. We actually have a training program that's about 6 months. We do that twice a year. We get anywhere from 4 to 8 reps, and yeah, it's definitely our strength of our organization.
All right, very good. And talk about the representation of Norton inside of these GAWDA distributorships. Like, what's it look like ideally for Norton? If I was to walk into a distributor and see a perfect one, what would that look like?
I think, again, it would start with our displays. So our presence, whether it's wall, counter, our merchandisers, that tower displays, you can see here, we've got some smaller ones, but outside of our dedicated resource with our people, we try to have our product displayed so you can merchandise it. We have some new things coming to our quarter pallet, which is for our non-woven products, that it's unique. It's kind of going to sit here and you can move it around, but it's also got specific packaging for our walkthrough business as well.
Excellent. And anything new that just came on the market for you guys that you want to touch on?
Yes, absolutely. And I'm smiling because right here we have our new Razor Star product. We've been working on this for quite some time. It's engineered ceramic grain that it's designed to cut very aggressively, very fast. We're really excited about it. So strong marketplace for us, and any application out there where you're looking to hog a good amount of material, this is the product for you.
Very good. And as far as support goes out there in the market, you mentioned 160. Talk about the bench strength that gives you across the country to be able to service some world-class distributors.
Yes, absolutely. Again, our people are absolutely industry best, and we have a good variety of veterans to some newer people. But again, with that sales training, they really come out armed and ready to go in the sales force to help support all of our customers and distributors.
All right, there you go. That's a quick update from Norton Abrasives here at GAWDA SMC here in San Antonio. Thank you, Brad, for everything that you guys do for us throughout the year. We really appreciate it. It's always good to see you and Kurt at these shows each time. So thank you.
Thanks for having us.